everyone! Welcome back to our channel, where we inspire and motivate you to unlock your best self. Today, we're going to talk about something we all face: criticism. Have you ever felt hurt by someone's words? Maybe someone questioned your abilities, doubted your dreams, or pointed out your mistakes. Let's be honest, criticism stings. But what if I told you that criticism, when handled correctly, can become your greatest tool for self-improvement? Today, we'll explore how you can transform feedback, even the harsh kind, into powerful lessons that push you toward success. Stick around because this conversation might just change your perspective forever. First things first, criticism isn't your enemy. In fact, it's a gift. Feedback shows you areas where you can grow and improve. Without it, you'd stay stuck in the same place, unaware of how to get better. Think about this. The world's best athletes, performers, and leaders all have coaches and mentors who provide them with constant feedback. Why? Because they understand that criticism is the key to greatness. Instead of viewing criticism as a personal attack, shift your mindset. See it as an opportunity, a stepping stone toward becoming the best version of yourself. The sooner you recognize its value, the faster you'll grow. It's easy to get defensive when someone criticizes us. But here's the truth. Criticism says more about the task at hand than it does about your worth as a person. Separate yourself from the feedback. If someone points out a mistake, it doesn't mean you're a failure. It means there's something you can improve. When you feel defensive, pause. Breathe. Ask yourself, is there truth in this feedback? Chances are, there's something valuable you can take from it. Let the criticism refine you, not define you. Listening is a powerful skill, especially when receiving feedback. Often, when criticized, we jump into defense mode, preparing our counter-arguments. But what if, instead of reacting, we truly listened? Listen to understand, not to respond. Pay attention to the message, not the tone. Sometimes, valuable insights come from the most unexpected places. Ask clarifying questions. Can you give me an example? How would you suggest I improve? By listening openly, you show maturity and a genuine desire to grow. Not all criticism is valid. Some feedback is constructive, while some comes from negativity or misunderstanding. It's crucial to discern the difference. Ask yourself, is this person knowledgeable about the subject? Are they offering solutions or just pointing out flaws? Does the feedback align with my goals? Constructive criticism aims to help you grow. It's specific, actionable, and given with good intentions. Ignore toxic comments that aim to tear you down. Focus on feedback that builds you up. It takes courage to give feedback. Whether the criticism is delivered gently or bluntly, respond with gratitude. A simple "thank you for your feedback" shows professionalism and strength. When you thank someone for their feedback, you show that you're open to growth. This positive response also encourages more honest feedback in the future, creating a cycle of continuous improvement. Feedback is only valuable when you act on it. After receiving criticism, take time to reflect. Identify actionable steps you can take to improve. Create a plan. If someone pointed out areas of weakness, outline how you'll work on them. If you need new skills, seek resources to develop them. Growth happens when you turn feedback into focused action. Remember, small, consistent actions lead to massive results. Use the feedback as fuel for your journey. The more you face criticism, the stronger you become. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from setbacks, and criticism is one of the best tools to develop it. Don't let criticism crush you. Let it shape you. Every successful person has faced rejection, doubt, and harsh feedback. The difference? They didn't let it stop them. They used it to build resilience and keep pushing forward. You are stronger than you think. Let criticism strengthen your resolve, not weaken it. Don't wait for feedback to come your way. Actively seek it. Ask mentors, colleagues, and friends for their honest opinions. The more feedback you receive, the more opportunities you have to improve. Ask questions like, what do you think I could have done better? How can I improve my approach? What skills should I focus on developing? By seeking feedback, you take control of your growth. You show initiative and a commitment to self-improvement. Fear of criticism holds many people back. They avoid taking risks because they're scared of what others might say. But here's the truth. If you're not being criticized, you're probably not doing anything remarkable. Criticism means you're stepping outside your comfort zone. It means you're growing. Don't let fear stop you from pursuing your dreams. Embrace criticism as a sign that you're on the right path. Finally, let criticism fuel your growth. Use feedback as motivation to become better, stronger, and more capable. Let every piece of feedback remind you of the incredible potential you have within. You are capable of greatness. Don't let criticism discourage you. Let it empower you. So, there you have it. 10 powerful ways to deal with criticism and use feedback for self-improvement. 1. Understand the value of criticism. Don't take it personally. 3. Listen with an open mind. 4. Evaluate the feedback objectively. 5. Respond positively and thank the critic. 6. Reflect and take action. 7. Build resilience through criticism. 8. Seek constructive feedback regularly. 9. Learn from criticism, not fear it. 10. Turn feedback into fuel for your journey. Remember, feedback is a gift. Embrace it. Learn from it. Let it guide you toward your dreams. Every piece of feedback is a stepping stone on your path to greatness. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more motivational content. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let me know in the comments. How do you handle criticism? What feedback has changed your life? I'd love to hear your stories. Until next time, stay inspired, stay motivated, and keep growing. You've got this.